Hey guys, welcome to yet another part of the series Which Sounds Better. The last time I had the Supra go up against a Mustang GT with a Borla Attack catback exhaust. And honestly, to my surprise, the Supra still won. So we're taking it a step further, and now we have Mark's 2017 Mustang GT350. And let's see if something can finally take down the Supra. I mean, I know the Supra sounds good, but there's no way. There's no way. If you guys vote for the Supra to win, I don't know what I'm going to do.
I don't know what could beat. Yeah, I don't know.
If this can't beat the Supra, the only thing that can beat it has to be like a Ferrari or something. I don't know. So, I'm excited to see the results. I mean, it would definitely make me a proud owner if the Supra beats this car, but
How about if the Supra beats this car, you have to face the steam train down the street and rev off.
Can steam trains even rev?
They can whistle.
That they can.
They can blow steam.
They literally can blow steam.
Okay, that's happening.
Yes.
I think people will vote for your Supra over this just to see that happen.
God damn it. Alright, so if the Supra does beat this, I'll somehow compare this to a steam train, but I'll show you some clips of the Supra so you can hear it once again. Okay, so you've heard the Supra. Now let's finally hear this beautiful GT350.
Oh shit, I got you good, you fucker!
JK. Bravo.
I mean, that sounds good, but I think the Supra still has that, like, added element of savage to it.
Those resonators need to go ASAP.
Yeah.